Welcome to Brainy-tainment, your go-to source for educational content that stimulates your brain and entertains your senses. Here at Brainy-tainment, we are committed to enlightening minds with intriguing and scientifically backed information. Our content ranges from health, science, history, and everything in between, all crafted to engage, educate, and entertain. Today we're turning our lens to the captivating world of nutrition, a realm that holds immense power over our health. In this video we dive into the fascinating world of nutrition and its impact on cancer prevention. Have you ever wondered how your diet could affect your chances of developing cancer? It's a question that has piqued the curiosity of both scientists and health enthusiasts alike. The connection between diet and cancer is a complex one, wrapped in a multitude of layers that researchers are still working to unravel. In essence, our diet is much more than just fuel. It's a complex interplay of different nutrients and compounds, some of which can potentially increase or decrease our risk of developing cancer. For instance, a diet high in processed foods and red meat has been linked to an increased risk of certain types of cancer, including colorectal cancer. On the flip side, a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can potentially decrease the risk. Now, you may be wondering, what's the mechanism behind all this? Well, that brings us to a key player in the diet-cancer connection: antioxidants. These are substances that can prevent or slow damage to cells caused by free radicals, unstable molecules that the body produces as a reaction to environmental and other pressures. Let's take a moment to delve into the world of antioxidants. These vital compounds are found in abundance in a variety of foods, particularly fruits and vegetables. They work by neutralizing free radicals, thereby preventing these unstable molecules from causing damage to our cells. This is crucial because if left unchecked, this damage can lead to mutations and potentially the development of cancer cells. Now, it's important to note that while antioxidants play a crucial role in maintaining our health, they're not a silver bullet against cancer. The relationship between diet and cancer is complex and influenced by many factors. However, a diet rich in antioxidants is one piece of the puzzle in maintaining overall health and potentially reducing the risk of cancer. As you can see, what you eat can significantly influence your health. But how exactly does this work? Well, stay tuned as we explore the fascinating science behind diet and cancer in our next segment. To understand how diet affects cancer, we need to delve into the science behind it. Our bodies are made up of trillions of cells. Sometimes these cells can change or mutate, leading to the development of cancer. This process is known as carcinogenesis. It's a complex process that involves changes at the genetic level. Now let's bring diet into this equation. How does what we eat influence this complex process? Well, certain foods contain compounds that can influence carcinogenesis. They can either promote or inhibit the changes that lead to the development of cancer. For example, processed meats have been shown to contain certain chemicals that can lead to DNA damage. DNA is like the blueprint of our cells. When this blueprint gets damaged, the cell may not function properly and may start to grow and divide uncontrollably, leading to the formation of a tumor. On the flip side, many fruits and vegetables contain antioxidants. These are substances that can help to protect our cells from damage. They work by neutralizing harmful molecules in our bodies known as free radicals. Free radicals can cause damage to our DNA, which can lead to the development of cancer. Dietary factors can also influence the body's ability to repair DNA damage. For instance, certain nutrients, like folate found in leafy green vegetables, play a crucial role in DNA repair and synthesis. A deficiency in these nutrients can impair the body's ability to fix DNA damage, which can increase the risk of cancer. So, in a nutshell, our diet can influence the process of carcinogenesis by impacting DNA damage and repair. It can either provide the tools our body needs to protect and repair our DNA, or it can introduce substances that can cause DNA damage. Now that we understand the science, let's explore some specific foods that can help in cancer prevention. Certain foods pack a powerful punch when it comes to cancer prevention. Want to know what they are? Let's start with fruits and vegetables. They're rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which protect our cells from damage. Berries, for instance, are packed with antioxidants and phytonutrients. They help to reduce inflammation, a key player in the development of cancer. Then there's broccoli, a cruciferous vegetable known for its sulforaphane content, a plant compound with potent anti-cancer properties. Moving on to whole grains. Whole grains like oats, brown rice, and quinoa are a great source of fiber. This fiber aids in the digestive process, reducing the risk of colorectal cancer. Whole grains also contain antioxidants and phenolic compounds that help protect against various types of cancer. Now, let's talk about lean proteins. Fish, poultry, and beans are excellent sources of lean protein. Fish, particularly fatty ones like salmon and mackerel, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been linked to a reduced risk of colorectal and breast cancer. Poultry, such as chicken and turkey, is a good source of lean protein that's low in saturated fat. Beans and lentils, on the other hand, are not only rich in protein, but also in fiber and various plant compounds with anti-cancer effects. And let's not forget about tea. Green and black teas are rich in polyphenols, which have been shown to slow cancer growth and inhibit tumor invasion. Last but not least, spices and herbs. Turmeric, with its active ingredient curcumin, has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. It's been studied for its potential cancer-fighting properties. And garlic, known for its allicin content, has been linked to a lower risk of stomach and colorectal cancers. Incorporating these foods into your diet can be a powerful tool in cancer prevention, but remember, balance is key. A diet rich in a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and spices not only helps to protect against cancer, but also supports overall health. It's not about a single superfood, but a symphony of them working together. Now that's food for thought. While specific foods can help prevent cancer, it's essential to remember that a balanced diet is crucial. Now, it might be tempting to load up on blueberries because you've heard they're a superfood, or to eat broccoli at every meal because it's been touted as a cancer fighter. But here's the thing, no single food or food group can prevent cancer on its own. Nature, in her infinite wisdom, has packed a variety of foods with a plethora of nutrients, each with its unique benefits. Think of your body as a complex machine. Just as a car needs oil, fuel, brake fluid, and coolant to run smoothly, your body needs a mix of nutrients to function optimally. A balanced diet is not about eating one or two types of foods in abundance. It's about consuming a wide range of foods in the right proportions. This includes fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Each of these food groups provides different nutrients that your body needs to maintain good health and bolster your immune system, the very system that helps your body fight off diseases such as cancer. So, while it's beneficial to include cancer-fighting foods in your diet, don't forget the bigger picture. It's the synergy of a well-rounded, balanced diet that offers the best defense against cancer and other diseases. Eating a variety of nutritious foods not only helps prevent cancer, but also promotes overall health and well-being. As we've explored today, diet plays a vital role in cancer prevention. The meals we consume have a direct and substantial impact on our overall health, and more specifically, they can significantly influence our risk of developing cancer. We've delved into the intricate connection between diet and cancer, unraveling the science behind how the nutrients we ingest can fuel or fight this disease. Certain foods, as we've learned, contain potent compounds that can actively combat the onset and progression of cancer. These are the warriors of our diet, ready to defend our bodies against the destructive forces of disease. From vibrant fruits and vegetables, rich in antioxidants, to whole grains and lean proteins, the options for cancer-fighting foods are plentiful. Incorporating these powerhouses into our meals is not just a matter of choice, but a commitment to our health and longevity. But we must remember, it's not simply about adding a few select foods to our plates. The key lies in balance. A balanced diet, one that is diverse and nutrient-dense, is our best line of defense against cancer. It's about making informed and mindful choices every time we sit down to eat, understanding that each bite has the potential to either harm or heal. We've also emphasized the role of moderation. Even the healthiest foods can become detrimental if consumed in excess. Balance and moderation are therefore the two guiding principles in our dietary journey towards cancer prevention. In conclusion, our diet is a powerful tool in the fight against cancer. It's an arsenal of potential waiting to be harnessed. With the right knowledge and choices, we can transform our meals into our own personal line of defense, fortifying our bodies against the threat of cancer. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery. Don't forget to subscribe to Brainetainment for more educational and entertaining videos. Remember, knowledge is power, and your diet is a powerful tool in cancer prevention.